view up here is phenomenal. It's so good. This should be on everybody's must visit when you come to La Union. What is this place? I want to live here.
So we're doing a quick stop here at a little, let's call it a mountain resort, because we just drove pretty far up the mountain.
Hello.
What would you guess what elevation are we at now? 500 meters?
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, this place is really cute and we're about to have a phenomenal sunset in maybe an hour or so. So yeah, ooh, too bright. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, what on earth is this? What is up, guys? Welcome to a brand new vlog. Welcome to a brand new vlog in a very, very special location that we just discovered by chance, and we in no way had planned to actually film a vlog here, but this place is on our route to the next property we're looking at here. We're in La Union looking for properties to own, to buy, to lease, whatever it turns out to be. And on this route we discovered this place which is absolutely blowing our minds, and we just wanted to share it with you. This has one of the most stunning views I've ever seen, plus it is super, super cute. So welcome to the vlog. It is just insane. So here we have like traditional Baguio houses. This is what the traditional houses would look like in Baguio. So we have these stilts, and then the actual living space is on top, elevated, the sleeping area, and underneath is just a chill out area. I don't know why they built exactly this way, but Randy, who is showing us these properties in La Union, explained it to us that this is what you traditionally would find in Baguio. But guys, I just can't get over this view, and by the minute it just seems to get better and better and better. Wow.
Okay, so we're currently checking out this property up here, and I wish there would be something like this for sale because it's phenomenal. I mean, what is this place? Look, they even have a little manok place where they can grill chicken. Cute. Oh. Hi, ducky. You see a lot of wildlife here as well. And then these little huts. Probably can stay overnight here when it's not the pandemic, but how cute is this? Look at this, guys. This is so dreamy. Hi, friend. Hello. How are you? Hi. Hi, duckies. Hello. Oh, so many ducks over there. Hi. Hi, friends. Uh-oh. Are you hissing at me? Don't worry, I'm a friend though. Yeah, so they pretty much have a self-sustainable farm here with a water tank with some animals. Pretty nice garden. Wow. What is this place? I want to live here. Mike.
Yes?
It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, they even have a little greenhouse. Yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. Cool. Oh. Hi friends, more chicken here. And this is the garden. Wow, I want to have something like this. Look at this. This is pretty awesome.
Just can't get over that we're in such a rural, highly elevated area and we still have LTE on our phones.
Yeah.
That's another big plus.
Yeah, that's a big plus. You're still very young, huh?
Oh, it's baby dinosaurs.
Baby dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Looks like it. There's a big chicken over there. Hello. This is pretty dreamy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just quickly headed over there to see the ponies. And maybe they have some goats over there, I think. Looks like it. Hi, friends. Oh, man. What a cute little farm. Oh, wow. Hi. Oh, there's bunnies over there. Yes, and you're here too. Wanna say hi to the vlog? Say hi to the vlog? No, you don't want to anymore. Oh, look at this. Hi, bunnies. Hello. And here's a little pony. Hi, friend. I'm Nelly. You're such a cutie, huh? You're such a cutie. Hey. Okay, guys. So this is usually a tourist spot, right?
Yes. I mean, it's a private resort type, but a lot of tourists come here to enjoy the view. That's why we have a lot of picture areas where you can just pose with your loved ones or whatever, right?
Oh yeah, I saw like this little
There's
IG.
Like a nest or something.
Yeah, yeah.
You fall up in.
So this is one of the houses, and people can actually stay here, right?
Yes, if they would want, they could rent.
Wow. Yeah, down there you see one of these IG worthy spots, and there over there is a nest. I should probably go down there. So Mike, we were just quite stunned that this place has never popped up on our radar.
Ever.
Why?
Yeah.
It's so
Exactly.
nice.
I mean, yeah,
And
stunning.
And it's especially places like this that we love to discover, that nobody else talks about, because they're just so special. And when you're here, you just feel this amazing energy as well.
And in my opinion, places like these are really unique to the Philippines. You don't find this everywhere.
Yeah.
You won't find something like this on your Thailand vacation.
I don't think so.
I mean, imagine just sitting here, drinking your morning coffee and watching the ducks here. Aww. So I just came down to these IG spots. So you can literally climb up the tree here and have your little picture session in this nest overlooking the mountains over there. And then there's a second one in this area. We can just go up and have... Wait a second, let me go up. Ooh, see this view. Maybe I should go up, huh?
Sure, I'll hand you the GoPro.
Okay. The view up here is phenomenal. It's so good. I am currently sitting in this nest and my view, wow. So what you see in the back is actually the ocean on the left, and then some really nice looking mountain over there. We have beautiful clouds, and I can imagine sunset here would look pretty nice too.
Gorgeous.
Yeah. Hi, Mike. The view from up here is so good. Do you want to come up as well? Yeah?
Wow.
Yeah, right? Yeah, so this is definitely a hidden gem. And this should be on everybody's must visit when you come to La Union, because they have amazing beaches as well, but I mean the mountain area? Wow.
Yeah.
People should talk more about that.
I think I need to climb down here. I think it's not
Yes.
designed for two people of our size.
And this here is the comfort room. You can literally go in there, do your business. And they have turbo shower, they have running water. Spot the introvert. I'm literally like a kid in the candy store. And this sheep is looking at me all the time. Hello.
Wow, guys, absolutely blown away by this place. Randy, what was the name again? Dar-awan Farms here in La Union. Saw it first on Making It Happen vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this little short vlog. We really got excited, especially Nelly got excited about it and said this we need to share in its own video. So yeah, if you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Remember to stay awesome.
Be positive and make it happen. Bye bye.